Well, thanks for visiting us at archeltexhomepage.com and the archeltexhomepage.com weather app. I'm meteorologist Josh Morris. This is a 9 a.m. update on the cold front moving through the region today and our severe weather threat that will likely start to ramp up late this morning and through the afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has kind of upped the severe weather threat for northwest Louisiana to a Category 2 or a slight risk for some strong to severe storms, and this is just because these are the locations that will likely warm up a bit this afternoon. So the storms really like to feed off of that warm and humid air, and they'll have plenty of that available to them once we get past the noon hour today. Most of us should see high temperatures in the 80s or low 90s, but the severe weather threat not existent for you folks on I-30 where we've been dealing with the thunderstorms through the morning. Cold front now making its way down across the Red River of Texas and Oklahoma. We've had some pretty heavy rain today. This will be another thing to watch, especially for the afternoon commute. We haven't had any flood reports, no damage reports with the storms, but radar estimating we have seen some 2-inch accumulation. So anytime you get a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain, you can typically see some of the flooding of the flood-prone areas. I think everybody knows those. The roadways, the underpasses in and around their neighborhood will likely be taking on some high water in a few locations this afternoon. Shreveport will probably see the worst of it late morning, early afternoon. There is the potential here that this initial line of thunderstorms may fall apart, and we'll see another one kind of develop through the afternoon, and that's what you're seeing there about 3-4 p.m. So that's where we'd really be on the lookout for a few damaging wind gusts today. It looks like any kind of tornado threat would likely be to the east of us over towards the Monroe area, but can't completely rule it out for maybe Bienville and Claiborne parishes and maybe some portions of Natchitoches Parish, but it looks like damaging wind would be the main issue for us, and that will really be between about noon and 8 p.m. today. Sun goes down, the rain comes to an end. We'll start to see things clear out tonight, and lower humidity on the way. May still feel a little humidity Saturday, but the north wind will be fairly persistent through the weekend. That's pushing all that Gulf air back down to the coast, so it will feel noticeably better Saturday, Sunday, and especially next Monday and Tuesday as well. So pretty rare to get a 4 to 5 day stretch like this in what is typically the peak of summer, so make sure you take advantage of it as we go through the upcoming weekend. The hurricane update for you, Isaias is going to be moving up the east coast, so we'll have to keep an eye on this if you do have travel plans to Florida or the Carolinas. This is a popular vacation week, and this has the potential to just hug the coastline, and since it doesn't make landfall, it will actually just feed off of the warm Atlantic and Gulf water here that is just off the coast of Florida and the Carolinas. So this could be a hurricane all the way up into the northeast. So a lot of storm surge, a lot of rainfall for the east coast of the U.S. as we go through the weekend and into next week. Not for us, though. We'll have a nice weekend as temperatures will be still warm, upper 80s and low 90s, but the humidity, especially on Sunday, will be completely out of here. Next Monday, Tuesday, low humidity. Pretty nice pattern through Tuesday. Heat and humidity start to come back middle of next week, so we'll probably make a run at the mid-90s by next Thursday, Friday, and just slight rain chances next Wednesday through Friday.